What is up, guys? How you doing? So yeah, we got another one of these monthly Knife Club boxes in front of me. It's the most exciting day of the month. I like being surprised. Some people think I'm crazy for investing in whatever amount of money this is. It's about $200, give or take, on a mystery box. But I don't know. I just like the excitement and the mystery of it, and it helps me pick out something I normally wouldn't pick out probably. But I haven't been disappointed with these guys yet. They've always had me good stuff. So sometimes get two knives, sometimes get three knives. So I haven't looked inside. I cut it open for because these boxes are a pain in the butt. But let's go ahead and look inside real quick. We'll look at the card first to see what's all in here. But here we go. Oh, it's looking interesting. What we got? Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. Trivisa. I saw Trivisa. All right. So looking up from the top going down, looking like we have a sticker, which we always get a sticker. They have nice stickers. So once I get a sticker board, I'll start posting those things. Got a compass. That's neat. In case you don't have any GPS and you want to do it old school, we got a compass in there. Sorry about the shakes. I just got off of work, stirring soups and stuff, and I'm excited. Yeah, I make soup for a living, so yeah, hit me up in the comments if you want to know more about that. But that's what I do for now. It's fun. Don't worry about it. Anyways, and then we have a Black Cordura zip pouch. Hopefully that's a knife pouch. It's this thing right here. So we'll look at that in a minute. A Woobin rechargeable flashlight. Very, very cool. I like the flashlights. So 400 lumens. That's a good amount of lumens. Rotating head, multi-mode lighting. About $25 value on that guy. Then we got first time I got a fixed blade from these guys. It's always folding knives, but they say they might throw a fixed blade in once in a while. But looking at 420 HC stainless, black tire rubber handle. Okay, full tank construction, polymer sheets with clip. That's going to be interesting. Can't wait to see that. I don't have many fixed blades, so it's kind of exciting. We got the Trivisa butterfly. Okay, so that's good. Good. 14C words. 14C2AN stainless steel. Green micarta. Yes, they read my mind. I love micartas. Ceramic bearing pivot and a crossbar lock. Cool beans. Can't wait to see that thing. And then we get the giant mouse, just the one. Iona V2 black linen. Okay. MagnaCut. Wow. I'm sorry, I'm reading. Black linen handle, washer pivot. Okay, I'm excited. That one has $195 value. I'll look up online and I'll leave a note on the comments if I find it cheaper. But so we're looking at a total value in the package of about $322.47, and the plan costs $189 plus shipping. So if it's all what they say it is, I mean, which it will be, yeah, we got some value here. So anyway, let's get in here. Starting from the top down, let's get the stuff out of the box, put it aside, and we'll go one by one. All right, so what we got first, and here's a sticker. Like I said, they're almost always holographic. Get this damn box out of the way. They're almost always holographic. Am I lined up? There we go. Like, okay, I'm gonna say it one more time. Almost always holographic. Really nice stickers. They say it's a $5 sticker. Hey, it's nice. I'll start putting these around. Maybe I'll. Nah. Not gonna put it there. Sorry, Shiro. I'm not gonna block you. Sorry, I'm all excited, guys. What else we got? What's next? So next is the compass. So yeah, it's a little old school compass. Let me see if I got a knife. I'll use this thing. Oh yeah, by the way, all you guys who commented about the blue Loctite, thanks for fixing my dumbness, but it worked like a charm. I got this thing perfect. I got the screw out, just backed out. I'll talk more in my final review for the month, but backed out the screw just a little bit so it's not so tight and working perfect. So thank you guys for your help. I'm going to cut this little tape here. Sorry, I'm off camera, but just in case I cut my thumb off, I don't want to show you guys that. Oh, cool. So it comes with a little lanyard. Okay, so yeah, you got a little compass there, little ruler on the edges. Even got a little, oops, sorry, I'm way off camera. Got a little magnifying glass in there. Pretty neat. Probably start a fire with that if you need to. Cool. They said that's about a $8 value, so that's, it's a nice little filler. But will I use it? Probably not, unless I get lost. Maybe if I go in the woods, I'll carry it with me. All right, so let's look at this pouch real quick. Sorry, I'm kind of zooming through, but I want to get to these freaking knives. So this is a knife pouch. That's going to be dope. But let's take a look. Got a little Velcro on there for patches, so I can, yeah, the one I got from G-Ball, I can throw it on there for funds. Let's see what's inside the pouch. I might just Yeah, I mean, eh, not bad pouch. Yeah, you can put whatever in there. It's not really made. Yeah, you could slide a couple, probably 3 knives on each side, depending on the size of them. A couple big boys maybe. But yeah, I can use that for a knife pouch. You can use it for whatever, I guess. Nice little pouch though. Padded, feels nice. That's it. What they say that was? Yeah, it's about $7.95 for that. So another $8 thing, but that's pretty cool. I'll definitely use this thing for sure, for sure. If not, I'll give it away or something. Yeah, I am planning on doing giveaways eventually once I get more established in the world. But yeah, we'll do that eventually. Like I said, I'm going to talk about on that win I did in G Ball. That knife I got from G Ball will be in my first giveaway guaranteed, and I'll throw in some other crap for you guys to have fun with. I'll even throw in a Shiro Blade sticker. That's gonna be a hot item someday. Maybe not, maybe not. All right, what's next? All right, next is the Wubin. So let's take a look at this guy. That is nice, man. It's the Wubin GS. What's what they call it? Wubin G5. I'm sorry, I can't. Yeah, G5 rechargeable flashlight, 400 lumens, 65-hour runtime. Cool, cool, cool. I wonder what kind of lights it's got on there. Let's see. What's it saying there? White light, RGB, red blue flash, red green flash, red yellow flash, beacons. I'm not going to go through all that on here, but we're going to open it up and take a look at it because I like flashlights. Sorry, I'm shaky as hell. The mix of getting older, making soup all day, and excitement about the box. But you guys forgive me, I'm sure. That's good. Open, damn it. There we go. Okay, out of there. Oh, wow. Nice packages. Actually, you know what? This is my first Wubin. I've seen reviews and stuff, but this is my first one personally, so I'm kind of excited. I was actually thinking about getting a new Olight too. You guys know that the new Olight clip light that they have. A couple guys had on their channel. I know who all had it on there. I need to get into that, but that new I do want to get that. I know Big JB had it on his channel. I think Bees had it on his channel too. Yeah, I'm gonna get one of those definitely. But this will tide me over for now. Nice little light. Come on, get out of there. Damn, that thing's stubborn. All right, can't wait to get these knives. So got the charging cord, got a book. I'll read that later. We'll just push some buttons for now. But like I said, it's my first. That's some nice packaging, dude. I'm making a mess over here. Let's get all this crap out of the way. So yeah, it's smaller than I thought. Oh, nice. Look at that green, dude. That is so cool. It's got a dial thing. Oh man, I gotta figure out how to use this freaking thing. Where's that? Is that the clip? Oh, that's pretty neat. Yeah, I'm gonna figure this out later. I'm not gonna bore you guys with all that stuff, but let's see. Oh, got a red light there. I wonder if the. Oh yeah. Okay, so it looks like that's gonna cycle through. Oh my god, dude, that is neat. All right, let's turn this light off real quick. Let me see if I can pump up the intensity. Oh, say hold down for the white light. And oh, okay. Let's turn this light off. Let's have fun. All right, so that's all the way down and increased by just using the dial. That's freaking cool. And what else we got? That's off. Hold down and changes. Look at that, dude. That is so neat. Just you can cycle through the colors just by going with that dial. All right, I'm gonna have fun with that. I'll figure it out. Back on with the lights. But yeah, I like that, man. That's cool. And the color is freaking nice, man. And of course, the head rotates so you can do whatever. That's freaking neat. It has a lock. It's not a review. It's not an overview. It's just opening up. But yeah, I'm excited about that guy. I'm gonna play with that later. What else we got? So we got the Mantis Seymour fixed blade. Okay, like I said, I don't do fixed blades that much. I actually I do have one coming up for next month that I caught my eye for my mission that I'm doing. So I'll get that guy out next month. But very light, so I'm expecting a very big. It's a big box, so I never had a Mantis. I could include this in my name. All right, so yeah, just a little fixed blade. And it's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, but like they're saying, black tire rubber here. It's a $28 knife. Pull it out. Oh, cool. So there's your blade. That's a nice little fixed blade though, man. I like that. All right. So we're not gonna get, like I said, we're not getting too deep into this. I want to get to these other knives like the Trevisa and the Giant Mouse. So But yeah, it's full tang. Um, yeah, good grip on it. Good ergos. Just check that blade out real quick. Pretty sharp blade out of the box. Not disappointed. And I got three. Last month I only got two knives. This month I get three, so that's a bonus. Where is the? Okay, there it is. All right, here's the Trivisa. Let's get this guy open. Again, we'll go a little off camera so I don't kill myself. All right. You guys saw I'm excited. I mean, I am. I like Trivisa. One of my and then they got the micarta, so I know I'm gonna like this guy. It's looking like it might be a smaller knife. Oh, cool. Got the nice Trivisa sticker in there. Nice little rag. Trivisa always hooks it up. I do have I think I'm about 3 or 4 Trivisas. I can't remember. I'll show you guys those in the when I start doing my collection next month. Product certificate, little manual, and it's just a little guy. It's a little guy, which is fine. I mean, these guys at Monthly Knife Club don't know my hand size, but that's fine. All right, let's get this out of the bag. What do we got? Nice green micarta. Oh yeah, definitely nice. Got a little knife juice on there. I got my rag. Get my rag standing by. So a little okay, pop it open. All right. Nice little knife. And we're not gonna get too much into it, but got the jimping, nice little drop point, crossbar lock, crossbar lock. Very, very quiet. Quiet little guy. Oh, almost reverse flicked it. But let's take a look around. Yeah, so the micarta is real nice. Got that nice micarta feel. Sorry, I'm looking at these thumb studs. Thumb studs are neat, dude. Look at that green. It's like almost a fluorescent green on there. But nice little guy. But I'll tell you what, this is probably gonna go in a giveaway just because it's so freaking small for me. And there's nowhere I can choke up really. I'm not complaining about the knife itself. It's a cool little knife, but I have my big hands. It's not gonna work too good, but I can get 4 fingers on it. But it's kind of like, yeah, just doesn't feel right. But very nice little knife. What did they say this was worth? It's about a $60 knife. So yeah, like I said, I've had Trivisas before and they're a little bigger, but this is, versatile clip, lanyard hole, little back spacer there. Yeah, put together very well. And you can actually see in there little, like kind of like strands of micarta. So, it's legit. But yeah, man, I like it. It's got a steel liner in there, very small, very light knife. Kind of cool. Flip it over one more time. Yeah, very quiet. Yeah, right. Nice little guy. But yeah, maybe I'll use that for a giveaway one of these times. Because yeah, let me know in the comments if you got small hands, and we'll look into maybe throwing this your way. Where's the star of the show? Where's this? Next is the giant mouse. It's value. They don't go by like the website or anything like that. They go actually research different stores and different places where they're selling it to get like an average of what they're worth or what they're going for. So, all right, again, this one's MagnaCut, black linen handle, washer pivot. Oh, it's a washer. It's gonna need some breaking, which is fine. Liner lock. Let's take a look if I can get this damn thing open. Oh wow, it comes in a bag. You know what? It's funny because it's my first giant mouse, so I guess I get to include it at the end of the month. But that's not fair now, is it? All right. Okay, yeah. There it is. So, oh, got a little protector there. Neat. Sorry, I'm lost in it real quick. Let's open it up. Ooh, snappy. All right, let's take a look at this. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Look at that blade grind right there. So, very open construction. It looks like a reversible pocket clip. Feel in hand. The jimping's up high. So for me, perfect spot. Ergos, dope. Good ergos. You see how my hand comes right there, perfect where it needs to be. So this is not made for me especially, but the jimping is nice. Yeah, very nice jimping, very grippy. Feel that blade. Oh, that thing's a razor blade. Wow. Not much on the blade as far as yeah, it's just their logo. It does say MagnaCut there. It does say MagnaCut on there. But this handle, dude, is very, very just I don't know. It just feels really nice, man. Now, would I have bought this? Um, would I have bought this one necessarily on my own? Probably not. So I might not have ever owned one of these, one of these Giant Mouse or whatever these guys are called again. Sorry, yeah, Giant Mouse Iona. I probably never would have bought one of these on my own, and that's kind of why I do this box because it gets me out of my comfort zone, just like what I'm doing on my videos. But very nice, man. Let me close that up again. Um, it's on a washer, like I was saying before, but oh man, snappy. I don't even think I need to break that thing in, but you can feel when I'm after I release the lock. It's not a drop shutty kind of knife, drop shutty kind of knife, but yeah, the detent clips in real nice. Man, it shoots the heck out of there, don't it? There we go. Yeah, I'm gonna break that washer in. I can already feel it breaking just a little bit, just from a few times I opened it. Neat. So yeah, very impressive. Like I said, it's something I probably wouldn't have bought on my own, but it gets me to experience new things. Same with the Fixie. Probably wouldn't have bought that on my own, but it gives me something different. So we got that. Got the little Fixie. I'm just gonna put the knives out here, and we got the Trivisa. So not disappointed. Cool little package, man. For under $200, I got a good amount of stuff. Where's that little flashlight? You got the little flashlight there. Got the little compass right there. Where else is it? What else we got? Where's the thing? That's it, right? Oh yeah, the pouch. Duh. And here's the pouch right there. So, I mean, tell me what you guys think. So, I'm happy with it. If you guys think it's a ripoff, let me know. But awesome. So now I'm gonna go play with these knives a little bit. I'll see you guys in my next video. But thank you for watching. And as always, thank you to all my veteran brothers and sisters and all active duty guys out there. Be safe, keep your head down, come home. We miss you. Thanks again for watching. Take care, guys.